Exhale, shake. This is going to be a very simple exercise that everybody can perform while sat at the desk. To remind you again, this whole series is really for those that are finding themselves glued to their desk, glued to their computer, finding that after 2-3 hours they haven't moved from the desk. It's for you that these are really important. And as I mentioned in my last video, only a couple of weeks ago did I see a post from somebody that had caught COVID, suffered the resulting blood clots, then had a pulmonary embolism. These are the kind of stories we're going to hear more and more because people just aren't moving enough. They're not moving enough, and they're not even moving out of their chair. So if that's you, that's what these videos are for. It's for people, it's to remind you that you've got to move. But these specific ones, so this one, and just like the last, are really good exercises for those that are perhaps in the middle of a project, in the middle of a Zoom call, you've been sat there for 45 minutes, you know you need to do something, but you can't move from your desk. These are perfect for that. So this one, you'll be glad you're doing at home. Make sure that if you're in the middle of a Zoom call, that you turn off your video because you might look a little bit silly, but this is going to be a little bit of breathing and shaking. So, are you ready? Much like the last, inhale all the way. Exhale through pursed lips while shaking your right hand. Again with the left side. Shake. And again, right side. Shake. Left side. Shake. Both together. Exhale, shake. I told you you'd look a bit silly. Now, for something even sillier, inhale all the way, shake your whole body. And again. Okay, well, if that wasn't embarrassing enough, again, you'll be glad that you're doing it at home, but you should now feel a little bit lighter and ready to crack on with the rest of your project or the Zoom call. I can feel now that the blood has moved around my body. Again, I know I keep repeating this, but these exercises are not a substitute for you actually getting off your backside and doing some exercises. I'll show you some quick, simple exercises in more videos soon, but hopefully you enjoyed this. You've got two options again, as I mentioned in the last video. The first option is just keep watching these videos. Set yourself an alarm on your phone and do them every 40 minutes to an hour. Mix them up so you're doing different parts of the body. Or download the free Chrome extension Chair Guru, which is by the company SOMA Breath, and I'll drop a link for that below. Anyway, Evolution of Dave signing off. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.